The hardest part of learning English isn't words, it's telling them apart. Today, focus, repetition, and comparison. Leave versus abandon, a difference you'll never forget. And by the end of this series, you'll have the essential words you need for real conversations. I'm a telecommunications engineer and an English instructor here to help you learn better. Let's get started.
Welcome back. Today, we're settling the score. Is it leave or abandon? Let's ask the master of drama himself.
Listen closely. Leave is just a physical movement, but abandon? That's leaving someone in a hopeless situation. It's total desertion.
Okay, so if I say, I leave the office at 5, that's just a routine, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. But if the office is on fire and you leave your team behind, you abandoned them. You left them in danger.
What about people? My friend left his wife. Is that the same as abandoning her?
Leave is neutral. But if he had a child with her and vanished, he abandoned his family. He failed his duty.
I see. So a house that nobody lives in for years is an abandoned house?
Correct. You don't just leave a house for 50 years. You abandon it to rot. No plans to return, ever.
So leave equals go away how. Abandon equals leave behind in trouble do. Got it.
Don't abandon your goals. Leave your excuses behind and keep practicing. See you next time.
Leave, to go away from something or someone. Abandon, to completely leave something or someone permanently.